The question is t minus 5 equal t. So what is the value of t? So we can try t minus 5 equal t. Now bracket t minus 5 whole square equal t square. Now t minus 5 bracket t minus 5 bracket equal t square. So t times t equal t square minus 5 times t equal 5t minus t times 5 equal 5t plus 25 equal t square. Now t square minus t square minus 5t minus 5t plus 25 equal 0. Now this t square and this t square cancel out, then we can write this 5t and this minus 5t equal minus 10t plus 25 equal 0. So minus 10 equal minus 25. So minus 10t divided by minus 10 equal minus 25 divided by minus 10. So minus 10t by minus 10 equal minus 25 divided by minus 10. Then this 10 and this minus 25 will be cancelled out. 5 by 2, this minus cancel out this minus cancel out this with this, and this 10 will be cancelled out this 10. So the real value of t is minus 5 by 2, but we have to check this equation. CH is sick. So the given equation is t minus 5 equal t. So we should replace this value of t in here. Then we can write 5 by 2 minus 5 equal 5 by 2. So it look like 2 by minus 5 by 10 equal 5 by 2. So it will look like minus 5 by 2 equal 5 by 2. But left hand side is not equal right hand side. So there is no solution. Thank you guys to keep watching this solution. Hopefully it will be helpful to you. Please subscribe my channel and like below. Goodbye.